Hello, hello.
Bonjour.
So,
Bonjour. Okay, good to go.
How's everybody doing today?
I'm calling here from Iceland, which is interesting in these times. We are quite famous for spending a lot of time inside. So this is the song from Mom.
Italy! I hope you guys are good. I know it's complicated there.
I was waiting for someone else.
I think about 110 concerts last year in real life, in the flesh, and all of a sudden it just stopped.
8 of hearts, 10 of clubs. Boom!
I see one already. Oh, upside down? Okay.
One leg, second leg.
Oh, One, two, three, and
So beautiful.